I wish I could show people the panic that I heard in that mother's voice when I spoke to her on Saturday.
Uluntu lwalenginqi Lunxunguphele kwayelakholelwa koloba UWillie Munting esaphila kuba nje umbane bungakhange ucinywe phambi kwexesha ebelibekiwe.
This really hit very hard. I've known Letty and Willie for many years, and if you speak to, we can only empathize up to a point because we do not really know what they are feeling. But as mothers, we can understand why they are as angry as they are.
Je ukuba usapho lukaMunting lungakwazi ukuthetha namajelo endaba nawo uMzantsi Afrika usatsala nzima phantsi kwenkqubo kacimicimi.
We found ourselves in a situation where we lose a life because of the incompetence of the municipality. One might ask, what does the municipality have to do with this? Firstly, the municipality has contractors who are paid thousands of money to repair electrical outages. However, in this particular week, the contractors came 5 times to repair one issue that continued to persist and be a problem.
uMunting uza kungcwatywa ngomvulo kule veki zayo, ukanti umasipala wasemfuleni uthi usaphanda kalomba.